The Lightning have their full squad here today, including their rookie, Tyler Miller, who was placed on the IR last night with a injured wrist. He's looking to get back at it here today, and the athletic trainer said he should be good to go, so we'll see how that makes a factor for him for the series. The Sluggers are without Gage Wayne, Grayson Adams, and Blaine Byborn today. They have a four-man squad working to go, including Houston Wayne, who's back, and Caleb Peterson.
As we get underway here in CHF coming soon, we'd like to thank our 2025 season sponsors, Jerry Myers Excavating, Top Notch Construction, Soul Candy Energy Therapy, and Fry's Repair. Welcome back to Cedar Hill Field for today's semifinals matchup between the number 2 Lightning and the number 3 Sluggers. Pretty windy in Boscoville, Wisconsin on Sunday, October 19th, 2025. Winner go home, winner advances to the World Series. And up first for the Sluggers is Caleb Peterson. And he's looking for strike 3 and the backwards K. 1 out, but he didn't pull back. 0-2. That one is bunt. Laid down past the bunt line. And the call on the field is safe on Wayne in his second series appearance in 2025. Hits the zone for strike 3 looking. Second backwards K for the Sluggers. 2 outs, and now it's up to Haven Wagner. Swing and a miss for strike 3, and that's the inning. Graydon Richter gets out of it. Score is 0-0 going into the bottom of the first. This pitch could go anywhere. Oh! And that is going to be strike 3. He did not pull back. 1 out for the veteran Graydon Richter. It hits the corner of the zone for strike 3. Swing and a miss for strike 3. We are going to the top of the second. Your score, 0s. Bunt laid down past the bunt line. Fair ball. Loose going 2. Slides and he's safe. CHF. Fair ball. And he's out at first. Wagner. A bunt type hit. And it's an RBI single for Haven Wagner. Drag bunt laid down, and it is successful.
Let's go, Kira. Sawyer! That's not what you can do. It's not this thing.
Oh, it's not. Swing and a miss for strike 3. Loose. Pitch. Swing! Not a swing. Strike 3 looking for the backwards K. Bottom of the second. 2 outs. Back to the top of the lineup. Tyler Miller. Grounded off. Pitcher's leg. Doesn't make a play at first. Safe at first. Safe at second. Popped up. Caught by Loose for the 3rd out. And we're going to the top of the 3rd. The Lightning do not respond. Score is still 1-0 Sluggers.
Oh, I'm up.
0-1.
Yes, you
Grounded to first.
Now!
And he's out at first. The slide does not get him in time. 1 out.
What?
Oh! Nasty pitch. Gets him for strike 3. 2 outs. Quickly here in the top of the 3rd for the Lightning. We're going to the bottom of the third. Lightning need to respond. Swing and a miss. There's a second out. Sluggers 1 out away from taking game 1. Grounded to first. Misses the throw. Out of play. Out of play. It'll be an automatic double. 1 ball and 2 strike. Down to their final strike. Swing and a miss and the game is over. Sawyer Loose gets out of the jam. And the Sluggers win game 1. When we come back to game 2, Sluggers will be the home team. Welcome back to Cedar Hill Field for game 2 of the semifinal matchup. Tyler Miller will lead off for the Lightning in game 2.
Oh, my bad.
That one has popped up. Wagner
Clash out here.
gets the first out. It ain't back there. Right down the middle for strike 3. And Sawyer Loose gets out of the jam.
2 games ago, I wore boxers in a football. That's cheesy. Hey, Rob.
Swing and a miss for strike 3.
Oh, we already had 2 outs? Yeah.
5-2.
Hit me. I hit him first.
Strike 3, looking. Fresh out of an at-bat. Fresh out of a relationship is Houston Wayne. Popped up.
You suck.
Caught. Grounded to first. Oh!
Dave, his foot's on the base.
What is it called?
Caleb, holy cow.
Got it safe.
on the base when you hit him.
Micro, come here. Come here. Oh! That one is deep! God! The wind picks up.
This is what.
And Harley Wagner comes back.
Sawyer, this is
Promote
what
2 on
happens.
grand slams.
This is what
And
happens
he
when you
comes
don't
back
have
with a
me.
2-run home run. Lightning take the lead in the top of the second, 2-0. First career home run in the major league for Hartley Wagner. Oh, and it's it. Ball 4. And 1 run will come in for the Lightning. Bases are still loaded. Swing and a miss. Slams the bat and receives a warning from the umpire.
Call him off. Now he's standing straight up. Since I said that. Go, 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 go.
Greg bunt. Strike 3 right down the middle. Strike 3 looking. We're going to the top of the third.
No, but you
Your score, Sluggers 0, Lightning 3.
going in here.
Fair ball. Safe at first. And the bases are loaded. Hartley Wagner with a single in the top of the third. Grounded to the pitcher. First out. 2-run score.
Dead ball.
Graydon, I got that on.
And Miller would like to challenge. Popped up.
Tag.
Caught. The runner will tag. 2 outs. Swing and a miss.
What's the strike? That's 3. 3 outs. I'm on the third. 6-0.
And we're going to go to the bottom of the third. Lightning 6, Sluggers 0. Sluggers need to get some go-ahead runs here to bring life back in to their hopes of sealing the deal. Why don't we come back? 2-2. Swinging it.
Commissioner, can you eject this? Yes, sir.
Caleb goes down.
Can I get a picture? Tyler Murray isn't starting too.
1-0 Slugs in the top.
I called it.
That hit corner.
That was below.
No, that hit.
Can I hit now?
You're
40-yard line on our side.
Out at home. Ethan blocked.
Whoa. Didn't count.
No, that was later.
He was quite. They're also like designers.
Designers are like, I got
1-3, right?
Bro didn't know it was
2-2.
That was not 2-2.
Bro didn't know. He was over.
That'll go into effect the second the World Series is over.
Oh my God! Let's go! Go Arlie! Stay! It's your time.
Look, JJ runs laughing.
Oh, that was
Bobbled and caught.
Ready? Why? Because he sucked.
Tyler Miller, it's a grand slam.
Yeah, dude! Let's go! That's our rookie.
And that might be the hit
I told you when I
that will advance the Lightning to the World Series. Great.
Tyler, you gotta swing it.
That one is shot off the warning track. 1 run will score. 2 runs will score. 7-1. Lightning lead.
Okay.
I'll play.
Tyler, shut up! No!
You're gone.
Fuck you!
No, you're gone from the field. Leave. Buying a new thing because you broke it.
Oh, I get to buy a zip tie.
No.
You suck!
And that is the game. We'll see you guys in the World Series. The Lightning versus the Slingers.